Hello everybody, today I would like to show you one of the coolest features of SharePoint 2013, that is site mailbox. It is really great for the team collaborations. Team can share their emails, documents, calendar, everything else through this. And good thing is about this, you can do everything sitting on your Outlook. You don't need to go to websites or SharePoint site to do these things. Okay, as you can see in that picture, on the right hand side, it's an Outlook client, and someone is trying to send an email to Anna Eve, and you can see also in the CC HRT team site, that's actually a site mailbox address. So whoever wants to or related to that project, they can send emails easily to the person as well as to the team site mailbox. When anybody sends this to this email, it means the email will be shared all the members of these sites automatically. So he doesn't need to send the email to individual team members. That's a cool thing. Now, today I'll do some real demonstrations with this. So I would like to show you a lab environment where I'm going to demonstrate in full things in play. Okay, I'm using a small lab network, which is, as you can see in the screen, I've got a Netgear router which is working as a bridge. Then I'm using Cisco router, that's my DHCP server, which assigns all the IP. And here is my SharePoint environment, and I'm using also WAP, which is wireless access protocols, which assigns all the IP to my wireless. It is more or less you can say medium to large size organization topology I'm using here, but it's probably security wise it's not that much I have got here. But I'm using just this router built-in firewall. Okay, so as you can see, this is my internet, it's connected. So Netgear router is just as a bridge or gateway. I have put the NAT, which is NAT disabled here. So this is my main router, and this is my whole farm. Okay, so next, this is my actually pictorial description of my farm, what I have. Though it's a hybrid environment. So what I'll show you today the site mailbox. I won't be talking about the hybrid environment. This is my SharePoint 2013 farm, which is I've got two web front-end server, one application server, one database server, an Office web application server. I'm using it one DNS server, and there is a DirSync server, ADFS server. These are mainly all of my account syncing and in a single sign-on. Here is mainly the identity management. And there's excuse me, there's an Exchange server 2013 I'm using here. This is actually integrated with my SharePoint and also Office 365, and this is a reverse proxy server, which I know any request coming up from the Office 365, it's going through here and trusted. It has to be a part of the rely trusted party, then it sends the request there. So anyway, I can discuss these things in my other demonstrations, and here the user is connected to my hybrid environment. So that's a brief about this hybrid environment. But today I will show you the site mailbox. So what we'll be doing, what are the scenarios we'll be testing? Mainly how we can share email with team members from Outlook to SharePoint project sites, how we can share attachment from my inbox to SharePoint site using Outlook, update same site calendar from Outlook, and vice versa. That means that we can also update calendar sitting on the SharePoint sites, and it will automatically update my client calendar. So I can see in my Outlook in two calendar, my own calendar and also the team calendar. So that's really cool. If my manager update anything on the even sitting on our Outlook in the team calendar, I can see automatically in my Outlook it's updated. It's not only my inbox, and all the team members will see that automatically. I don't even need to go to the SharePoint site. That's a really beauty of this feature, cool feature. So these are the things will come later on, but let's see a demonstrations. Okay, I'll go to my lab PC now. As you can see here, this is one of the client PC. So let me log in as a Alan Reed. So just get so that's the thing. So you can see here, Alan Reed is a I'm a user of that organization, so of 365 Lab. And he is a part of that project site, my demo site. So that's coming from SharePoint actually, and he can see all the documents here. So this is already the SharePoint. This is the site mailbox. The cool thing is this: if Alan want to share any email to any of all the team members of that project, he can just drag and put it there. That's it. That will work. So that will be automatically shared. So I won't be doing now. Also document. If he wants to put any document from his own inbox, so he can just go to, let me find out anything comes up there. Attachment. I don't have anything with the attachment, but I'll see whether I can send an email as an attachment, then try to share these things. So what I'll do, I'll just try to send an email from somewhere else to Mr. Alan Reed, and then I can share that attachment. As you can see in an email that I'm trying to send an email to Alan Reed with a test document. Okay, so let me send that email. So it has been sent. I'll just go to that PC. Sorry, it's a lab network, so obviously it will be a little bit slow. So as you can see that Alan has got it. Well, so the good thing is I can actually drag and drop this whole thing with the attachment, so it will be part of that site. Or if I want to drag just an attachment, I can just drag the attachment there as well. So it will be, if I want to share just any attachment, it will be shared to my site, documents. Or if I want to share as a full email, that in future it will give me a track that okay, this email is attached to has got this many attachment, or this. Even if it is a multiple attachment, it will go all together. That's the beauty of these things. So now I go to the let me see the calendar. That's another good things here. So these are the calendars here. Okay, so you can see this is a team calendar, which is because I'm a part of that my demo websites. That's why I can see that, and this is my own calendar. Let me go to the sites. Yes, I would like to update some things and see. That's actually the sites, main sites, which is for my demo. And let me update something in the team calendar. Okay, so I would like to put, today is not, so I would like to put July, say Friday at mailbox. So just put that. Please save. Okay. So this is so I'm as a project manager. I added these things, and I don't need to send email. So whoever is a part of this project, all the users will have this updated automatically in their Outlook calendar. Okay. Let's see whether it's updated there. Maybe you just need a sync. So So we just, oh, this, it has been updated, I can see. Yeah, that's it. You can see that it's already updated, so it's synced in my Outlook, so I don't need to go to the website. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I would like to share one of the document to, at this moment you can see these are the document from the site I can access. So how many? There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I go to the site, you can see there's a definitely 5 document library. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the Outlook, someone is going to update a document or share within the team. So let's see, let me do that. So I would like to share, say if I think this came as came from vendor, I would like to share this document. So let's do drag and put it here. As you can see here, it will actually sync here. This will be the 6th document. Okay, and I also like to share this whole email to sorry, I probably drag the whole emails. Okay, let me try to drag this document. Though I had actually taken it, sorry, I'd like to take the whole email there. That's it. So let me go to the library. So let's refresh this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now at least you should see 6 document. And if because I just did that, so about a minute ago you can see that. Okay, because I actually dragged the whole email. So that's the whole site mailbox it came. So that's what you can see, that it's a really nice and cool features. You can update your calendar. You can update your, it's a vice versa, whether you can update it in your Outlook client, it will show it in your SharePoint websites, or if you update in your SharePoint website, it will show you Outlook. So it means that sitting on your Outlook, you can do everything. Okay, that's all about it. I could show again actually using another client, which is this is another users, which is so this is Eric is a brand new users. He just joined into the office. He has been given the access, and he's opening the PC for the first time. So you can see it's just trying to connect to the Outlook. That's it's connected to my Outlook server, setting up name for the first time. While it's doing that, I'll just do it. Things. You can see that what this site mailbox is great about. So you can first end users shared resources, multiple entry point, SharePoint, Outlook, or business process. And the good thing is about when team is obviously working on this project and actively contributing content, they're accessing through the Outlook. When the project is closed, content is kept for the reference and archives. That's the place we can take it as our record management. Okay, so accessible through SharePoint only. When we put it as an archive state, and the site is deleted, the site mailbox is marked for deletions. So that's it. So let's see. But anyway, I think you will see that It will be the same for Eric as well. So just I don't think so I need to repeat these things, because obviously you will see the same things what Alan Reed has seen that. So that's all for the site mailbox. So let me go back to my presentations. That's it. This is actually the SharePoint on-prem sites I've got there, and I've got an Office 365 site as well. These are some test URL. Where's my ADFS URL? And these are some Alan Reed and Eric Bob. I'm using just a test user to them. So that's all for the site mailbox. Thank you very much. Oh, I can also let you know that I'm actually having some more demonstrations. So if you want to join, you can join. That's hybrid integrations of Office 365 and on-premise SharePoint 2013, and then also hybrid search two-way bound for enterprise organization, then generating a Power BI report on-premise data source and online data. So it's using Office 365 data gateway. So I'm also doing a migration of Exchange 2010 to 2013 and embedding a ARMOR into on-prem SharePoint as well as web application. So this is more. I'm also an Office 365 certified. I'm also certified TOGAF 9.1. So that's why you can see that my passion and my interest is more on Office 365 and SharePoint, Exchange, and also TOGAF 9.1. So that's all for these presentations. I'll be in touch. I've got your contact. If you have any questions, you can send me an email. I can't promise, but I'll try to respond ASAP. Thank you, everybody.